Okay, so if you're a small business owner, you know this feeling, right? Managing the money, it can feel like a full-time job in itself. But what if? What if there was a way to totally streamline all of it, to save a ton of time and get expert help without, breaking the bank? Well, spoiler alert, there is. Today we're diving into cloud accounting, and trust me, it's a total game changer for business owners just like you.
So let's be honest for a second. Does the financial side of your business just feel heavy, like a weight on your shoulders? Are you spending way more time fighting with spreadsheets and chasing down receipts than you are, actually growing your business? Yeah, if you're nodding your head right now, you are definitely not alone. This is a huge, huge headache for so many entrepreneurs. All right, so to really get why the new way is so good, we first gotta look at the old way. Let's talk for a sec about the traditional way of doing accounting and, well, why it's usually such a grind. I mean, it's kind of like a domino effect, right? First off, hiring a full-time accountant, that's a huge expense. And then what happens if they leave? Poof, all that consistency is gone, and you're right back at square one. Meanwhile, you're just drowning in manual data entry. All your most important financial info is stuck on one computer in one office. And trying to upgrade your technology by yourself? Forget about it. It just feels like this impossible, super expensive mountain to climb. But here's the good news. In this crazy, fast-paced world we live in, a much, much better solution has come along. And yep, you guessed it. We're talking about taking your accounting to the cloud. Okay, so what is cloud accounting really? Well, think of it this way. It's basically a system where all your financial info lives safely and securely online, not stuck on one computer. What does that mean for you? It means you can see your business's financial health, like in real time, from anywhere, anytime. And here's the best part. The actual nitty-gritty work, it's all handled for you, remotely, by a team of actual experts. And this chart, man, it just lays it out so clearly. Traditional bookkeeping, you're basically chained to the office. Cloud accounting, you can access it anytime, anywhere. That massive internal cost of an accountant? Nope. It's replaced by a way more cost-effective subscription. The chaos of staff turnover? You trade that in for the rock-solid consistency of an expert team. And worrying about new tech? That's a thing of the past, because all the best tech is just built in. It's a total upgrade across the board. Okay, so we get it. It's different. But what does this actually do for your business on a daily basis? Like, what are the real-world benefits you're going to see if you make the switch? Okay, here's the whole ball of wax. First, you get total transparency into your finances. That gives you real control. And with that control comes time, so much time. Time to focus on what you actually love about your business. Plus, all your data is automatically backed up, and it's super secure. You get instant info on how your business is doing whenever you want. You're basically getting access to powerful technology and automation that would be crazy expensive and complicated to set up on your own. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This isn't just theory. Check out this quote from Nadia, a small business owner just like you. She said she really needed someone to create some easy systems to streamline the financial side of her work. And the result? She said she can't express how helpful they have been and how much this has changed the operation of her business. I mean, that's it right there. A real-world example of the massive impact this can have. All right, so this all sounds amazing, right? But what do you actually get for your money? Like, what specific, boring, tedious tasks are taken completely off your plate? Let's break down the services you can expect. First up, the core bookkeeping, the daily grind. We're talking about all the monthly data entry and transaction reviews. Reconciling your bank and credit card statements every month? Done. Managing your accounts payable and receivable? Basically who you owe and who owes you? Handled. And on top of all that, you get these key management reports so you always know exactly where you stand. Next, and this is a big one if you have a team, payroll. Oh, payroll. They'll handle maintaining the software, managing those bi-weekly payroll cycles, all the compliance stuff too, like WSIB reporting, that's the workers' comp, and preparing all the T4s for your employees at the end of the year. Honestly, just taking that off your plate is a massive, massive relief. And then there's taxes. For so many business owners, this is the #1 source of stress, right? Well, a cloud accounting service will prepare your corporate and your personal tax returns. They'll do your GST/HST returns, your sales tax filings, other info returns like T4s and T5s. Yep, those too. And get this, they will even deal with the CRA, the Canada Revenue Agency, for you. They'll handle the letters, the calls, and even help you out if you ever get audited. How huge is that? So let's step back for a second. When you add all this up, the slick technology, the expert team, all that time you get back, what's the big picture here? What's the real result? It's not just about clean books. It's about something way bigger. It's about empowering you and your business. And this is it. This is the whole point, the ultimate benefit. It's all designed for one single reason, to help you spend less time buried in paperwork and managing your books and more time growing your business, more time with your customers, more time doing the thing you're passionate about.
It's about shifting your focus from just running the business to actually building your dream.
So, I'll just leave you with this question. Our world is changing faster than ever. Is your accounting system built to keep up? Or is it holding you back? Is the way you're doing things now really built for the future you want for your business? Something to think about. Thanks so much for watching.